In this video, we are going to see how we can create a community or a group on Roblox very easily. Now, communities are a new name of Roblox groups. So here's how we can easily create our own. First of all, let's open up the Roblox application. Here it is. And we click on the More tab on the left-hand side. From here, we head over to the communities. Now you can head to the top and click on Create Community. And let's select a name. I'll name my one as Biker Boy Group. We can paste that the same in the description. Now, if you want to select any image for your community, you can select one from here. So I've chosen one image. Let's go to the cover photo, and cover photo is not compulsory. This one was compulsory. So you can choose any cover photo if you like, or otherwise you can skip it. And from the settings, you can select if anyone can join or you need a manual approval or the other person needs manual approval to join into your group. So I'll just keep it to anyone can join. So if it is just for friends, you can choose manual approval as well. But down here, you can see that we need 100 Robux to create a community in Roblox. So just make sure that all the information is correct, although we can edit or add them later on. And if you're sure about it, and once you have finally created it, you can click on Robux and we want to purchase this community. Make sure you have the balance. In this case, I am logged into my other account, so I don't have the Robux balance in here, but that's how you can simply purchase it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.